Hi friends, I just wanted to share some of this majesty with you. I've just walked down this very, very, very long fallen giant. I don't think this video is doing it much justice, but I'm deep in some old growth redwoods along the north coast of California, what is called California. And I'm marveling at these gentle giants and the countless ways that they support life. Redwoods can flourish from seed, from stump, and propagating through fire. And, they're just the tallest trees on the planet. And so stunningly gorgeous and peaceful. And spending time among them is simply one of my greatest pleasures. To be in this damp, green, verdant, vibrant richness. To watch the way the sunlight filters through when I'm lucky enough to catch some of those magic beams, to hear the stream, to feel my body move against the body of earth and breathe along with her breath. This right here, one of my favorite flavors of EcoErotic goodness. I just wanted to share it with you. Thank you. Enjoy.